Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by holding both strands, old and new parallel, with about 6-8 inches of tail on the new yarn. This gives you room to weave later. Insert your hook into the next stitch you would normally work, then lay the new yarn over the hook. You pull the new yarn through together with the looped working yarn so you have one continuous loop. This makes the join secure, reduces a bulky knot, and keeps your tension consistent across the seam. Once the new loop is established, you immediately work 2-3 stitches using both yarns held together. This locks the join invisibly. Make sure to count stitches as you go, because a missed increase or decrease can shift pattern repeats. After locking, continue crocheting with just the new yarn. Keep tension steady. That avoids a visible ridge. Then trim tails to about 1-2 inches so they sit tidy while you finish the piece, and set them aside for later weaving. To finish, weave both tails into the wrong side of the work using a tapestry needle, following the direction of stitches so the yarn lies flat. Once done, make sure to smooth and press lightly by hand. This helps the join blend. If you still see a ridge, use a few duplicate stitches or a slip stitch row to disguise it. If gaps appear under stretch, unpick 1 or 2 rows and reweave the tails tighter. This fixes tension mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.